Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A24 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone used in this video is not actually A24. However, for educational and demo purpose, this Samsung phone is used, so don't worry about it. Let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A24 with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that your phone and TV are connected to a common Wi-Fi called any Wi-Fi that surrounding you. If you have any Wi-Fi in your home, just you can use it. Otherwise, you can also use mobile hotspots. Just create mobile hotspot from your phone and connect that mobile hotspot to your TV. That will also work. Here I am going to the first option, that is using common Wi-Fi. So just go to your phone. Go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi of your phone. Just to go to Wi-Fi here. Long press here, and yes, here Through 5G Wi-Fi is used. So that the same Wi-Fi should also be connected to your TV. Okay, that Through 5G should also be connected to your TV. So go for TV now. Go to your TV and select settings of your TV. Just go to settings to select Wi-Fi there. Yes, selected Wi-Fi and click on network and internet and click on Wi-Fi here, and available Wi-Fi will be scanned and showing here. I have selected this Through 5G Wi-Fi because I have to connect both TV and phone to a common Wi-Fi. So common Wi-Fi here, Through 5G. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store in your phone and search for Google Home app. Just to go to the search bar here and type Google Home, and yes, this is the Google Home app. Just to install this Google Home app. Just to wait for downloading and installing. If it is taking longer time, go and drink a milk so that you can easily pass the waiting time. And yes, it is done now, and go to open this app and click on get started and click on next and give permission if it is asking, and select here email ID. Here carefully select email ID. What email ID you have used in your phone and your TV, that should be same. That is what email ID you have associated with your TV, that should be selected here in the phone too. Okay, just select and click on OK and click on next now and click on allow for giving permission and click on next. If it is asking you to turn on permission while using this app, just click on it, and here just click on skip. And now go to devices so that TV device will be appearing in the screen. Yes, it is appearing in the name of Android TV. Just click on it and click on cast my screen here and click on cast screen here and click on start now to have the screen mirror to TV. Yes, screen is now being mirrored. Yes, done. Wow, actually what screen you are seeing in your phone, that is also seen in your TV. If you would like to control volume here in the Android that is Google Home app, just you can use here. If you would like to go out of the screen and if you would like to use any other screen, and if you would like to control volume here, just use your TV remote. Yes, this is TV remote, and use plus symbol to increase volume and minus symbol to increase to decrease volume. Okay. Now go out of any screen here and I open Snapchat. That's also seen in my TV. So whatever I open in my phone, whatever I play in my phone, that will also be playing in my TV. In this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A24 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.